Next we have here is probability. So basically a probability distribution is any form of representation that tells us the probability of all possible value of x. So it could be anything, you know. So now let's understand this using an example. Let's say there is a company which manage people's who wants to invest, who have money and they want to invest in certain projects. So by doing this, it wants to use probability to find whether it can safely expect to make a profit or not. So whether the company make profit or not will actually depend on which economic cycle is going on, whether it is recession, booming phase, growth phase, and so on, like that. So let's see an example. So this there is a website called mathsisfun.com, and then here we will be seeing some of the probability examples, and then you can test out those learning in this particular link. So let's go one by one. So I'm going to this website now. Here you can see multiple examples. So here it is saying when a coin is tossed, there is two outcome comes, either it is head or and it is tail. So what is the chances? So chance is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. For coming heads also the chance is 1 by 2, and for coming tails also the chance is 1 by 2. When it comes to throwing dice, so we have six possible outcomes, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the chance for coming for every uh, value? So it is 1 by 6. So upper will be the particular number that you are checking probability for, and divided by what is the total number of outcome you have. So this is like a formula. And so let's say the chance of rolling a dice, and rolling a 4 with the dice, so what is the chance? So you will check all together, right? And the probability will be 1 by 6, and like that you will be checking multiple things, and you will be checking two dices at the time. Then you will sum that particular dice and check what is the chance of getting 12, what is the chance of getting 13, like that. This is what you basically do in probability. Now let's see an MCQ question that this particular link will show you. So here you can strong your knowledge. So it is saying that a die is thrown once, and what is the probability that the score is factor of 6. Okay, so to get the factor of 6, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 6. So what is the number of chances we have? We have 4. Okay, and what is the total number of outcome? We have 6. So answer is 2 by 3, right? Yeah, we were right. So this way you can go ahead and check multiple question, and build the foundation, and uh, greater your understanding of probability. Okay, so let's understand using one more example. So basically a probability distribution, you know obviously it is a representation of all the possible value of x. So on the x-axis you can see, if we throw two dice at once, what is the outcome we will be getting? So if we are throwing two dice, at least we will be receiving 1 and 1 in each of the dice, so basically 2. Now what maximum value we can get is 6. Both the dice we have got 6. Okay, that is 12. Now you can see the distribution plot of what is the sum that you can get, and what is the chances on the y-axis that you see is what is the number of chance that you get for given sum. So this is like a real life example. Whenever you play a ludo game, and playing ludo game will give you this type of distribution, because obviously um, it is not normal that we will be getting 12. I mean, whenever we want to throw a dice, so like that, I mean, we have to understand how probability works, and you will see like how probabilities uh, we use probability in day to day life. We Whenever we want to buy a phone, or we want to buy a camera, laptop, anything, so what we do, we basically shortlist all of our best product, and then based on mm, based on functionality, based on feature, based on price, availability, and based on that you finally proceed to buying that particular product. So this is a real time example of probability. Like that you also do, I mean, same thing in schools, colleges, work, everywhere. So this is how probability is with us everywhere. Okay.